Hi guys, I'm testing my indicator. I'm back testing it in 5 minutes. If you can see the time frame also in there. And testing in 5 minutes from September 14th. Let's go and test it. My first trade got stop loss. If you can see here, as it was closed above here. So I'm gonna take a call trade. If you see here, there is a black line and I will take a call trade after closing of this candle, this green candle. So now my stop loss got hit, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in a put side trade, and my target would be 22,421.65. This is my target. If you can see here, this is my target. Let's start again. See, automatically the level got changed based on the price action. See, my target, it's near to my target, but it never hit my target of 22,532.85. After getting the level of 22,532.85. It's almost hit my target. Yeah, it got hit and it got broken also. And my next target is 22,421.65. And I got a reversal point here. So what I'm gonna do is I'll put a stop loss or I'll exit in the market, because as I got a golden line. If you see here, there is a golden line. So for that, what I'm gonna do is either I'll exit from the market or I'll put a stop loss. Let's see what happens next. It got broken, and again it got broken at 22,421, and again I got a reversal. So within 3 candles, if this line is breaking, then I'll be in trade. So it got broken again, so I was in trade still now. So now I'll exit here, because the level to level and the my golden line is at the same place. And if you think this is a golden line, this is a golden line, that is not a golden line. This is not the golden line, because it is a pivot point. If I can zoom it back, see, this is a pivot point. So let's play again. Let's start. Okay. See, it almost touched my 2208 80, sorry. It has also touched my the next level. Got rejected at 2205 and it is coming down again. And now the market will not fall because I see a golden line. This is the 15th September market. New levels appeared. Now it is got broken. So I'll enter in call trade. Let's see whether it will hit my 22. Yeah, it is got hit. 22,320.95. And as I told you, that is a pivot point. If you can see, there is a P written on that line. So now again I'll enter in a put trade and my stop loss got hit, so I'll exit from my put trade. Now I'm gonna enter in put trade again and my target would be 22,028.15. Let's see whether it hits or not. If the market is closing above 22,205.95, then I think it got hit my stop loss and I'll exit from the market. I'll exit from the market because as it is closed above. So again I'll enter in a call trade. Almost got hit my target of 22,337. And usually what I keep is I do in Bank Nifty options. I'll just keep 30 points per day target. So usually I'll get in first or second trade, the 30 points. I will not sit in front of my trading system all the day. See, the level got disappeared and see the market went up. I'm seeing some reversal point. If it is breaking within 3 candles, the rule is the market will go upside. As I told you, the market was go upside. It is going upside. And I see some reversal there again. And this is the 16th September data. It never got rejected anywhere, so I'm not trading. It has to get rejected on any of my level, then only I will take a call or put option. If it is not getting rejected anywhere, so I'm not taking any trade. I will wait until I see some rejections on my levels. The level got changed, but I never got the rejection after level changed. See, the level got broken. So now I'll enter in a put trade. My target would be 22,114.35. Let's see what happens. I see the yellow line get formed. So I will put a stop loss because that is a reversal point. But I'll not take a call trade based on the golden line. See, again the level got broken of 22,369. So I'll take a call trade and I'll wait for the target of 22,514.15 paisa. Let's see what happens. The candle never closed below 22,369.20 paisa. So I'm still holding my target. It got hit my target. So again, if I want, I can take a put call. If market is closing above 22,514, it is closed. So I will exit my put call and I'll enter in call trade. I see some reversal point there. So I gonna exit or I gonna put a stop loss. See, the market opened gap down in September 17th. On September 17th, I'm sorry for that. And it is getting rejected at 22,369.20 paisa. So I gonna take a put call, but I'll be cautious because I see some yellow line there. If you see here, you can see the yellow line or a golden line. So that means the market is in reversal mode. So now if I take in any put call, my stop loss got hit and I will enter again in buy call. And my target will be 22,514.15 paisa. And as the level got changed after your entry, so what you can do is you can draw a line there so that you'll know where was your entry point, and if it is closing below of your entry point, then you have to close your trade. Because the indicator will change that levels based on the price action. See, it went and almost hit the target, but I will not take any put call because it is not given perfect rejection. The perfect rejection is that means that has to touch the level and get reversal. I'm sorry, the video is becoming longer and longer. I know that, but to show you guys how the indicator works on real time. See, the levels got changed again, and I will wait until the market get rejected at the levels. Still not yet rejected because that is bit above the level, so I will not enter. It has to touch exactly 22306.85, then only I'll enter. And this indicator will work in stocks, indices, indexes, or also in forex and also commodities and every segment. See, the market got rejected there and closed above, and it is the end of the day, so I will not take any trade. It opened gap up on 18th and it got rejected at 22,449.50, so I'll take a put trade and my target is 22,311. So it almost hit my target and it is getting reversal. So now I got an updated level, so I will take once the level is breached, and it almost went to my target level also. This is 18th September market. See, the level got broken. I'll enter in the next candle. I entered in put call side. So let's see what happens. If the any candle is closing above 22,369.20 paisa, I will close my trade, or else I'll hold my trade till 22,267.5 paisa. It got hit my target, so I'll close my trade and I'll open a buy trade here, and my target will be 22,369.20 paisa, and my stop loss will be below 22,267.5 paisa. Almost went to my level. Again, it's up to you whether you are satisfied with the profit or not. See, the level got changed. Again, rejected on the changed level. Again, rejected. Again, rejected on the changed level. It almost went to my target. Either I can close there or put a stop loss. And from here the market got fallen down. And if you see here, you see a yellow line after the fall also, and the market got a reversal from there. If anyone needing this indicator access, they can text me or they can WhatsApp me on 9069550000. That they have to text is their TradingView ID. You just need to send your TradingView ID so that I can give you the access to this indicator. And the TradingView should not require any premium membership. It works in free, that is basic version also. If anybody is interested to see this indicator on real time, so they can send their TradingView IDs to the number 9069550000. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.